Introducing the Vikatvyap Digital Integrated Interactive Flat Panel, designed to transform how we visualize and interact with data. This Vikatvyap Digital Interactive Flat Panel features stunning 4K UHD resolution, providing crystal clear clarity for all your presentations. Experience unparalleled flexibility with Android OS built-in and the option to seamlessly integrate Windows OPS. Our integrated wireless screen sharing allows you to instantly connect multiple devices like this laptop and smartphone and display content. All our classes are recorded and stored securely in the cloud, allowing students to access them anytime, anywhere. Our comprehensive digital content is engaging, interactive, and curriculum-focused, designed for students in grades 1 through 12.
Management can also do monitoring of IFP usage, class-wise, subject-wise.
Introducing the new Vikatvyap Digital Podium and Smart Console. Now you have complete teaching control at your fingertips. Welcome to the Vikatvyap Digital Smart Lab. Our all-in-one desktops offer unparalleled performance with integrated CPUs and centralized control. Smart classroom accessories. Wireless, integrated, classroom ready. We also make principal room modern and smart.
Smart setup for conference with gooseneck mic and echo control audio.
So what are you waiting for? Together, let's make your school smarter.
Connect with us using the details below. Till then, bye!